Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "Our object should be peace within, and peace within. We want to live peacefully and maintain cordial friendly relations with our immediate neighbors and with the world at large." Lahore, August 15, 1947. About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.